I have these alligator clips that work on a Sony ECM77B lavalier mic, and as you can see, the protective coating is missing off of the teeth end of the clip. And I was trying to figure out how to fix that, and had this idea of using heat shrink tubing. So I went to Home Depot yesterday and bought this 3/8 to 3/32 Raychem heat shrink tubing. Costs about $5, and it's about the same diameter as a straw. So what I did was insert it over the teeth, kind of get an idea of where you need to cut it, then cut the tip off right about there. It can be a little bit more than you need, which is fine. Then with the small piece of tubing over the teeth, add a little heat to it, and of course it shrinks right on up around. Kind of makes it fit perfectly over the teeth. That way the attorney or whomever you're working with will not damage their expensive silk tie. And that's pretty much it.